Hey there, it's Brittany and I'm back with an unboxing video from Beauty and the Bead Shop. This is their live sale on Facebook, and I'll leave a link to that. They also have a website, and I'll leave a link to that below. And then there's a coupon code in the description for their website. So this is actually going to be two different live sales that I hit. And yeah, we'll go through them pretty quickly because there's some cool stuff. So they had like really cute enamel charms one night. So I got a bunch of those. It was weird which colors I chose because I saw like turquoise go up. I was like, no, I'm okay without that. But then I saw the yellow and I was like, oh, I really want that. I didn't really love the rhinestones around the turquoise, but I liked how they looked on the yellow. And I think maybe I got red or orange. I can't remember. I wish I would have gotten the orange. I think I got red. Yeah. And here's the red. I love these. These would look really good with a lot of the evil eye stuff I've gotten lately. A lot of the modern looking stuff. So two of my colors that I don't ever use, I had to get. I don't know what I was thinking. Then I got some sunflowers because these are really cool. This will go really well with Jessie Jane's Beads sunflower mixes I have left. It almost looks like a black-eyed Susan too. I got these because they were so cute. I've never seen this cute of a lemon charm before. I'll be making something for myself, but it almost makes me want to make like a cute little fruit kit or something. That's actually why I ended up buying these bananas. I wanted some for myself, but I think I'll end up making a little fruit kit for my bead sale whenever that'll be. I'm actually in the middle of getting ready to list my house for sale, I think. So I might not be doing any sales coming up because I'm gonna have to pack everything. The issue is I want to build another house, but I don't know if that's gonna happen or the time frame is gonna be crazy. So stay tuned. Crazy things are happening. I got this cute little jack-o'-lantern set. Yeah, if we don't build the house, I'm gonna be looking for a house. So it's crazy. It's nuts. I just built this one 2 years ago and it's just not working. And then I got crazy plant lady. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, my mom really liked those. So yeah, that was one of my favorites. I think that's all the charms I got. Then I got some of these. These are little bead stoppers, or well, they're like little, you put them on the back of chain or a bracelet with leather or cord, and it is like a stopper that stops the bracelet from coming apart, and it makes your piece adjustable. So I got it in 6 different colors. I got bright gold, matte silver, matte gold, matte copper, antique brass, and then gunmetal. So I will be using those soon in something. I think I have some somewhere. These were $1 each. But I can't remember where they are right now. So we'll probably see like maybe a leather bracelet with those. I was able to snag a $6 bag of Magnesite. I actually got 2 of them, and it was just a random you don't get to pick bag. So the fun thing about this is these I don't know what I'll do with these. I might just resell these because I probably have a ton that look like that. But these kind of remind me of M&Ms, don't they? Like cute little coin beads. These and the brown red ones, actually these look like Advil to me. But I'll probably, like, it would be fun to maybe glue a micro charm or something to these. I don't know what I'll do with these. Maybe make some beaded chain. This would look good with some deserty stuff. So little ovals and then some little rondelles. And then in the second set I got some rice shape or little barrels. Some really cool like sharper edged coins, not puffed like those. I love these, and I love the matrix on those and the size. And then I was so pumped. This is one of my favorite shapes from like in Magnesite, and I've gotten them from one other person, but in my last video from Beauty and the Bead Shop, they had the multicolor ones, and then I was not expecting to get these. And the cool thing is these aren't just blue. They run the range from blue to purpley. So there's some periwinkle in there, some blurple, as we all like to call it. So yeah, I was so excited. I like screamed a little bit when I saw these. My mom looked at me like, what are you doing? So, and then I got this little packet. It's like red brown again, but just a little slightly different color than the coins. And these have matrix on them. And then last but not least were these like purpley brown, red, blue squares, which I just thought were so cool. Aren't those neat? So I like it that I got some colors that I'm not used to, some shapes that I hadn't seen before, and a shape that I was really excited to get. So, and then they had, I don't know what, I don't remember. Okay, these were $4 strands. This is some Amazonite, big chunkies. For some reason I thought these were graduated when I grabbed them, but that's okay. They're really cool. I was thinking of just doing a necklace with these and some spacers and a pendant or something, but I don't know. Really nice. Not the highest quality Amazonite, but it's $4. This company went out of business a while back, and Garrett said that Beading the Beads bought a bunch of their stuff. And then, oh, one of my beads came off. And then this is yellow wax opal. I don't know if I've bought this before, but I haven't really been a huge fan every time I see it. This one, these chips, I actually really liked because they're more like pebbles, and I really like the variation in there. Sometimes, I'm going to say it, sometimes I think yellow wax opal looks a little ugly, but these were pretty cool. I thought these look really neat, and really close to my birthstone color, which is citrine, and it actually looks pretty cool with this Amazonite color too. This is my second favorite strand I got from that show, and I can't remember what it was called. It's something agate, but window. I think it was called window agate. But look at the shape, the little hexagons. And I just love that some of them have that black outline, and I'm so mad at myself that I didn't get 2 strands, but I love them. I love them. I feel like these should be the focal like bead on a necklace leading up to a really cool pendant. Like just spaced with a gold spacer or something, because I just love how those look. And then last but not least, actually I usually don't buy this style bead from Beading the Bead Shop, but I haven't seen these before in this colorway. I have some of these beads in other colorways, but I hadn't seen the pink with the red on it. And sometimes people don't like pink with red, but I love it. I don't think it clashes. I just love how it looks. And I hadn't seen these before, and I actually sat there for like, usually when you're doing a live sale, you're like, oh, buy it now, or say the number immediately. But I like sat there for a full minute and was like, okay, we'll buy $15. But I hadn't seen this color before, this colorway, and there are a lot. So my first intention is to make a bracelet, but I think I will make a set because I just love them and I don't want them to sit in my drawer forever. But I've got about 65 projects in front of this one, I gotta tell you. Okay, so that was the first live sale, and then maybe later in that week or the week after I joined another one. Right now I'm actually on a semi bead freeze, spending freeze. I'm going to Tucson for the fall sale, fall shows in 2 days with Julie and Cindy. But after that, I'm on a bead spending freeze, and actually I haven't bought beads probably over a week. And it's not fun. It's not fun. But I already know what house I want, and it's gonna be a miracle to get it. So I gotta be on a spending freeze. But anyway. I got some chips this time. These are rhodonite. Oop, some spilled. So we get some pink and some black and gray in there. Rhodonite, I feel like is overlooked a lot because there's a prettier, more high quality rhodochrosite, and sometimes some rhodonite can look kind of dirty, but I like it. I like pink and black. Next, I got these Dalmatian jasper chips. I really like, I might have these because I feel like every time I see them, I buy them. But I really like Dalmatian jasper. And with Dalmatian jasper, I like the smaller pieces. So that's why I got the chips. And actually, while I was staring at these beads on my desk today, I got an idea with another strand that's coming up soon. And then this actually has a label. This is called Rainforest Jasper. And they're pretty cool. There's some other kind of bead on there, probably sodalite, but they're they're very like deserty and almost turquoise adjacent. Like they're not turquoise, but they're like a green and brown that could be maybe mixed with more green brown turquoise. They almost look like ocean jasper or fancy jasper, something like that. But they're pretty cool. I like them. They're very good neutral, and each one of these strands was $3. Next, everything in this bag was $1 each. I got some more lava beads, and I'm pretty sure I had these colors, but I had to make sure. I got a 6mm strand in brown, and the 8mm strand, same color. These are going to be very, I don't think they're going to be hard to use, but very specific projects because they kind of look like baby you know what, but it works. It'll work with some things. So and then I got this really pretty mauve strand, so it's like a purpley pink but very muted and dusty. Again, those were $1 each. And then I got 2 of these strands. They're rose quartz, like large nugs. Thought those would be neat as spacers in something. I don't know. So I got this strand. And this strand. I think they're the same, but actually one's, I don't know. I can't tell them apart. But anyway, thought those were cool. And then I bid on a bunch, but only got the orange bugles. These were $1, which I thought was pretty cool. That's a really cool color coming up into October. And then some green 80 Mayoki seed beads for $1. So thought that was a good deal. And then I got these African glass little rondelles. When I see these on Garrett's live show, I try to grab them because they're cheaper than the stores around me. I was thinking this would look really nice with the Dalmatian jasper. So I might make a bracelet or something using those two together. Not sure how I'll pull that off. And then this is what I actually started buying from because he had some African metal on sale for $10 a strand. So these, like, I don't know if you can tell, but there are hundreds of pieces on this strand. These are gorgeous. They're spacers, and on the camera when I was buying, I thought they were flat, but they're a little domed. So they're almost like bead caps, but I can definitely use them as spacers, or I can just tap them with a hammer and flatten them out. So I thought those were cool. Tons. It's like 28, I think it's 28 inches long, if not very close. And then the other strand of African metal that I got is a brass. I hadn't seen this shape before. Others that he had on sale, he had tons. I had seen the shapes or even had them. But these are, I thought they were flat, but they're even better. They're triangles with a large hole. So also probably a few hundred or a couple hundred pieces on here as well. So you'll see these in upcoming projects. They're just going to go in my metal drawer right next to me, and you'll see them coming soon. So that was pretty fun. My favorites were these dog bone magnesite beads, the window agate, the African glass, and probably this brass strand. So got a lot of fun yummies. Let me know what you think. Let me know what your favorite one was. Shop on their website. There's a coupon for 10% off in my description box below, as well as their website. Now, their website products are completely different than what they offer on their live sales. If you want to check out their live sales, those are on Wednesdays and Fridays on Facebook, which there's also a link to their group too. Have a good one. Stay tuned for Goldie. Bye-bye. I totally missed this set of charms. Little cats. Isn't that fun? A little curled up cat with flowers, tulips on them. So cute. Hi, cutie. Yes, he's so cute, kicking that little foot. What you doing back there? Just watching me while mommy works. Huh? Hi, cutie.